My team and I are shooting a corporate video for an international school. We did a professional interview with a teacher and recorded videos of the kids without interrupting her class.
This video shoot is special because we are going to use a Sony AX700 in a rather challenging situation. Now let's see how the AX700 performs in a corporate video production environment.
I chose the AX700 for this project because it produces outstanding 4K videos despite its compact size. And it has features like the fast hybrid autofocus. It's just like magic. I just have to touch the screen and the camera gets me sharp focus on my subject right away. It's accurate and it's fast.
For those bright and sunny shots, I've got sunglasses for me and ND filters for the camera. 2 memory card slots, which you can record to the card simultaneously as a backup or do relay recording. As one card is full, data is recorded to the next card.
I can get close to the students from a distance without disturbing the class and they don't feel too self-conscious. As I zoom, the lens doesn't change its length and the camera remains the same size. That's a space-saving feature. The AX700 has a built-in gimbal to help me get stable camera moves that gives my videos a professional feel. The AX700 combines a small form factor with outstanding ergonomics such as raised and tactile buttons for important settings and microphone and headphone ports.
Yeah, that's good.
I'm sure the pros would love the manual controls. I've got a handy zoom lens here and the autofocus is superb. Combine that with 4K resolution videos and built-in HDR, you've got a winner here. I hope you'll have a lot of fun with the AX700, so gear up, go out there and shoot it great!
Sony.